Hi, I am your VVS Reddy. We will discuss here polynomials concepts in detail. Listen the video completely. First one, define polynomial. So see here, a polynomial is an expression consisting of variables and coefficients that involves only the operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication and non-negative integer exponential of variables. So see examples also. 5x square plus 1 is a polynomial, and 5x power minus 2 plus 1 is not a polynomial. In a polynomial, what are the constants? Like 1 comma 3 comma minus 20 and 3 by 2, variables like x, y and z, exponents like 0, 1, 2, 3. So see here also some definition and examples. In a polynomial, see what is coefficient, what is exponent, what is constant, what is variable. See the definition. Next we go to second question. Who is the father of polynomials? Yes, polynomial is also part of algebra, and Greek mathematician Diophantus of Alexandria is the father of polynomials as well as algebra. Yes. Third question, if p of x is a polynomial in x, then highest power of x in p of x is called the dash of. So highest exponent, that is called the degree. Here the answer is degree. Next question, a polynomial in a variable x of degree n, where n is the natural number. Yes, answer is yes, it is general form a0 x power n plus a power n x power n minus 1, etc. a n minus 1 into x plus a power n a n is a polynomial of nth degree. a0, a1, etc. are real coefficients and a not equal to 0. So next question, the general form of a first degree polynomial in one variable x is. So first degree polynomial in one variable, that means ax plus b. A and b are real numbers, a0 not equal to 0. So next question, if p of x is a polynomial in x and k is a real number, then the value obtained by replacing x by k in p of x is called. So if you replace x by k, you get the value of p of k. So it is p of k. So answer is p of k. Next, a real number k is said to be a 0 of polynomial, that is p of x, if dash. So if k is said to be 0, that means p of x becomes p of k equal to 0. So it is equal to be 0. Answer is p of k equal to 0. Next question, how do you find the 0 of a polynomial? So it is general question. We have to equate the given polynomial or given polynomial to 0 and then solve for x. For example, x minus 2 is given, x minus 2 equal to 0, x is equal to, like that. The graphical representation of ax plus b is, so it is just a straight line. So ax plus b is a straight line. Next question, the point where the graph of ax plus b intersects x axis. So ax plus b is already known, it is a straight line, it intersects x-axis at minus b by a comma 0. Our next question, it is about graphs, and the first case, yes, how many zeros are there? X-axis cuts only in one place, that's why first graph gives only one answer, 1 0. And second graph, see second graph, there is 2 intersection at x-axis, so 2 zeros are there. In the third question, see there is 3 intersections. Next fourth question, there is two intersections, just the x-axis touching points only 2, so therefore 2 zeros. And the fifth one, there is 1 2 3 4, so 4 zeros are there. So at 4 places the curve touches x-axis, so zeros 4. Again we go to next question, that is general form of a quadratic polynomial. So it is nothing but ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is the general form of quadratic polynomial. And our next question is the roots of a quadratic polynomial are. So quadratic polynomial, yes, it gives 2 roots. First one, alpha equal to minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, and second b root yes, beta equal to minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So these two are roots or zeros. Next question, graph of a quadratic polynomial. Just what is the graph of quadratic polynomial? It is nothing but parabola. Parabola, yes, you know the parabola. Next question, number of zeros of a quadratic polynomial has at the most. Quadratic means it is 2, so zeros also 2. Next question, what is the general form of a cubic polynomial? Cubic polynomial. So cubic means 3, it is a x cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Next question, the number of zeros of a cubic polynomial has at the most. So cubic means 3, so it has 3 zeros. Our next question goes to the number of zeros of a polynomial of degree n. So degree n, the roots also n. So remember, answer is n. Next question, a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are alpha and beta is alpha beta zeros. Then what is the polynomial form? X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha. It is very important bit. So the polynomial of alpha beta. Next question, if a and b, alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial x square plus bx plus c, then the sum of the zeros of that is alpha plus beta. So it is nothing but minus b by a, that is minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Next other question, if alpha beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial x square plus bx plus c, then what is the product of zeros, alpha beta equal to, so it is nothing but c by a, the constant term by coefficient of x square. Next question, if alpha, beta and gamma are the zeros of the cubic polynomial x cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, then the sum of zeros of alpha plus beta plus gamma. So what is the value, sum of the zeros? So it is minus coefficient of x square by coefficient of x cube. Next we go to other question, that is alpha, beta, gamma are the zeros of a cubic polynomial ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Then the product of the zeros of alpha, beta, gamma. So product of zeros, that is alpha, beta, gamma. What is the answer? Answer is minus d by a, that is constant term by coefficient of x cube. So these are the very important formulas, and you have to perform problems also on this. Yes, another question, if alpha, beta, gamma are the zeros of the cubic polynomial ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, then the sum of products taken out 2 at a tune of the zeros alpha b plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. So it is nothing but c by a, that is coefficient of x by coefficient of x cube. Next question, what is meant by checking the relationship between the zeros and coefficients of a polynomial? Yes, product of zeros directly, and then check using formulas of sum and product differently. Yes, the division algorithm of polynomial is, so it is algorithm, it is nothing but p of x equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. Division algorithm. How do you factorize a quadratic polynomial? So it is familiar to you, by splitting middle term we can do the factorization. Next question, how do you factorize a cubic polynomial? So this also by using yes, factor theorem, and also by splitting middle term, finally you can get the cubic polynomials. Read carefully. How do you factorize a fourth degree polynomial? This is also familiar to you. Yes, we have first and second factors using factor theorem, then division, and along with middle term splitting, you can get the 4 zeros of the fourth degree polynomial. Read it carefully. If we go to next question, how do you factorize a fourth degree polynomial when 2 zeros are given? First of all, yes, we have to first find second factor using given zeros, find the product of two factors, quadratic polynomial. Next question, the remainder when p of x is divided by x minus a is, that is p of a, x minus a equal to 0, then x equal to a, that is p of a. Next question, the remainder when p of x is divided by x plus a. So x plus a equal to 0, x equal to minus a, that is p of minus a. Next question, p of a equal to 0, then dash is the factor of p of x, so that it is nothing but x minus a. If p of minus a equal to 0, then dash is a factor of p of x minus a, that means x plus a is the factor. Next question, how do we find zeros of a quadratic polynomial graphically and check the answer? So this is a important question, you have to perform in graph paper. Yes, we have to prepare a table of coordinates of x. First table writing, plot points, join them to get parabola, find the points where the graph intersect xx or x coordinates of those points are required zeros. So we can verify the answer by directly substituting the zeros in the given polynomial, or we can find the zeros by splitting the middle term finally. Yes, please subscribe my channel and share it to your friends and neighbors, and thank you very much for seeing the video. Thank you one and all.